Earthquake, earthquake, earthquake. Alert! There was an earthquake here in New York. There were 8.8 magnitude earthquake. Earthquakes is very serious and it can harm many people. Please turn your phone off now. Excuse me, you're not allowed to leave the TV on. The message says there is an earthquake in New York City. Please turn it off. Bro, I swear to God, if the TV is not off, the TV is going to say, there's an earthquake. Turn it off now. Hey, I said there's an earthquake. Bro, please turn it off. Oh my God, there is going to be an earthquake in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, that's it. I'm going to take down your video.
I'm sorry, your video has been taken down from not comparing with us. Please don't pirate every single video you want. For more information, go to www.earthquake.com.